Everybody now.
Okay, thank you.
What is the place?
In the past, it was more complicated, right? In the past, it was more difficult, the password, but now it is very easy, right? The password is 1, 2, 3. For the people that uses computer, right? If you use a cell phone, you only click on the link, right? Okay, so all of you are gonna go to page 94, okay? Page 94. Go to page 94. In your book. Yeah. Over there, we have a subtraction, right? Which is the subtraction we have there? Who can tell me the subtraction?
93 minus 67.
67, right? I'm sorry. 67. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do this subtraction. 93 minus 67, right?
21.
Page 94, listen. Page 94 in your books, right? Page 94 in your books. Okay, good. Let's see. 3 minus 7. Can I if I have 3 lempiras, can I spend 7 lempiras?
No, we have to borrow.
We need to borrow, right?
Borrow.
Tenemos que pedir prestado. We need to borrow. What do we need to do? We need to borrow.
Borrow.
And the 3 says, hey, number 9, can you lend me a unit? Oh, yes, number 3. And now number 9, how many it has, number 9? Only 8, right? Ya le quedaron 8 because it lent 1 to the number 3. Le prestó una al number 3. Okay. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. 13.
That is 13 because the 9 gives 1 to the 3.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. How much is it?
6.
Right. 6. 13 minus 7, it is 6. Now I subtract the next number. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 2. Very good. What is the answer?
20.
20.
26.
How ugly, my letter T, how ugly. Let's see. 26. That is my answer. Okay, so you have to write it in the page 94 in your books, right? Here. Okay, here. Okay, and what it says there, who can read the question? Who can read the question? Okay, read it then, read it.
In which case it is necessary to group a 10.
Okay, very good. So over there, right? Over there, they are, in other words, in words that you understand, they are asking you, when, okay, when do you need to borrow a unit? ¿Cuándo tiene que pedir prestado una unidad usted? ¿Cuándo? Cuando pasa
When the number up.
the number up, right? The number up, right? Up. Okay. The número de arriba, the number up, right? When the number up is what? Is too small, right?
To the
Too small, right?
down.
When the number up, cuando el número de arriba, right? When the number up. Ustedes saben cómo se llama ese number up. Ese number up se llama sustrahen, right? Sustrahen. When the number up is too small, right? Cuando el número de arriba es muy pequeño, right? Para restar con el de abajo.
Mr. 2 is one. Mr. How do you say que tú es solo con una O, no con dos?
Vamos a ver, aquí cuando escribimos tú con 2 O, significa demasiado o significa también. Entonces, en este caso, tú se llama demasiado. ¿ok? Cuando el número de arriba es demasiado pequeño, ¿ok?
Ok.
Vamos a ver. Entonces, tú con dos O tiene un significado diferente a este, al que ustedes conocen, right? ¿Verdad? Entonces, cuando tiene dos O significa demasiado o significa también. Por eso ustedes cuando le digo, por ejemplo, imagínense que Lea me dice, Mister, yo tengo un perro. Mister, I have a dog. Right? And then I will say, oh, Leah, me too. Me too. Me too, Leah. Yo también, me too. Aquí el too significa también.
El Mister
Mister.
mal. Una
You
12
are,
como 6 arañas
Mister
dice que tiene
Gálvez.
las cosas el
you
Mister.
are too smart.
Let's
Okay.
go to a bathroom.
Yes, you may go. You are too smart. Eres demasiado inteligente. You are too smart. See what I'm saying?
Yes.
Good then. So aquí no, aquí sí se escribe con dos O. Good. Okay, did everybody finish it?
Yes. Yes, Mister. Yes,
All right.
Mister.
Did everyone wrote the answer? I hope so, right? Good. We're gonna do the next exercise. Now we're gonna do the exercise number 4 in page 94. Okay, we have 2 additions and 2 subtraction, right?
Mister, I want to read Leah.
Okay, but in this exercise we do not. Okay, read the number 4 then. Read. Okay, then
So
Naim
then
was the one that
check if your answers are correct.
okay, Nain is gonna read number 5. Okay, but ahorita vamos a terminar este, Nain. Okay, right now we're gonna finish this one. Okay, then we have, okay, let's see. This one we have a blank space, right? We have a blank space.
Mamá.
Then we have 95 minus 74.
Ya sé. Entonces aquí 41. Entonces, ¿cuánto es 77 menos 41? Digamos que es 30. De mentira, mamá, no es que no sé. De 30, ¿verdad? Entonces aquí ponemos 41 más 30. Y si sale 73, por ejemplo, es porque la dicha no está buena.
So very good.
Mr. John.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna do it then. Okay, we're gonna do it and we're gonna check them. Okay, everybody tell me 3 minus 1.
2.
2, right? 2. Oh no, this marker. Swallow the color. We're gonna use this blue. 3 minus 1 is
3.
7 minus 4, it is
3.
okay. Now, do you remember, right? Aprendimos a chequear si la respuesta estaba correcta. ¿Qué hacíamos? Chequeábamos, sumamos los últimos dos números, right? Para ver si está correcto.
Plus 32.
32, right? Y si nos sale este número, quiere decir que está correcto, ¿ok? 1 plus 2,
3.
3. 4 plus 3, 7. ¿Nos dio este número?
Yes.
Quiere decir que la subtraction estaba correcta, right? Quiere decir que la subtraction está correcta, right? ¿Cómo how do we check it? How do we check it? Sumamos los últimos dos números, right? Y si ustedes se fijan, son los mismos números, pero en un orden diferente. Mira, 32, okay, 30, 41, 41, 73, 73. The same numbers. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Good. We're gonna do the other one then. Okay, let me see. 5
1.
minus 4.
1.
Okay, the next one. 9 minus 7.
2.
Very good. 2. What is the answer? 95 minus 7. 21. Now we're gonna check it. ¿Qué número voy a escribir acá para check it? To check it here is correct.
21.
74, 21.
Plus
4 plus 1. 7 plus 3. 95, 94. Was it correct? Yes, it was correct. You see how easy it is math, right?
95. But
That's so easy. And if you don't understand something, it's okay, right? Si usted no entiende algún día, está bien. Solo me pregunta, right? Y hay todo, we need to learn. Everybody will learn. So, did everyone finish?
yes.
Now, let's see. Nain, can you please read the question that is there, Nain? Number 4, Nain, read the question.
The microphone.
Hello, Nain.
Sarah.
How
can I check if my answer is correct?
Okay, wait, I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry, boy. Can you please read again, Nain? Please. Sorry.
How can I check if my answer is correct?
Okay, very good. How can I check if my answer is correct? What did I do to check if my answer is correct? ¿Qué hice para saber si my answer was correct? What did I do?
We minus the first one, and with the answer we
Listen.
plus with the second number, and there is the first number is correct, but I say in the answer is correct.
Okay, somebody else?
Mister, I don't hear it.
Who? Hello? Okay, listen carefully. So how do we check if a subtraction is correct? What do we do? Okay, so look at it. How can I check if my answer is correct? You're gonna write, I need to add, to check if my answer is correct, I add, to check if my answer is correct, I add the last two numbers. I add the last two numbers. That's what I do to check if my answer is correct, right? I need to add the last two numbers. The last two numbers. You see? The last two numbers.
I check, Mister.
Okay, I need to add the last two numbers of the subtraction, right? If I want to find if my subtraction is correct, I need to add the last two numbers of the subtraction, okay? Did you write it like that?
Yes.
Yes, I finished, Mister.
I finished, Mister.
Good. Let's see.
Finish.
We check in the correct columns on your
Finish, Mister. Finish, Mister.
Okay, very good. Did everybody finish? Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna erase this.
Finish.
Okay, now we're gonna do the last exercise in page 95. Okay, I'm sorry, in page 94. Okay?
94.
Okay, you're gonna answer, okay, individually. Okay, usted va a responder y va a decir la verdad. Va a ser honesto. You have to be honest. Okay? Usted va a decir lo que usted cree, lo que usted de verdad considera. Okay? Look at this. Okay, over there, you have some statements, right? Sometimes, and the other one says never, right? Never. Okay, so like, look at this. Always means siempre, right? I always receive the classes at the school. Sometimes significa a veces.
A veces.
I sometimes go to the doctor. Never significa nunca.
Nunca.
I never lie. Nunca miento. Lie. Okay, so now look at this. Over there, we have some statements, okay? Can you please read the first one? The first aspect. Can you please read it? Who wants to read? Leah. No, but you participated already.
I finished.
¿Ustedes dónde hacen participated?
Camila Morales.
Okay, Camila Morales, read the first one then. The first
Valentina. Valentina. Confident when
Listen.
using subtraction.
Okay, is easy for you to subtract? Yes, mister. It is always easy for me to subtract.
Yes, I will.
Sometimes, mister. Sometimes. I don't know how to subtract. Well, oh, never, mister. I don't know how to subtract. I don't know how to subtract.
I always mister.
Okay, so you don't have to say the answer, okay? Individually, putting the check in the square that is correct for you.
Okay.
If you can always subtract this one, if you sometimes can subtract, but sometimes you cannot, this one. And this one, never. You don't know how to subtract at all. No puedes hacer resta nunca, never. Okay? Did you fill it out? Okay, the second one then. The second one. Okay, this is for me because I am the mister, right? And I know how to subtract. Okay, the second one. Can you please read it? Who else wants to read?
Mister, Gabriel.
Okay, Jadiel, read the second one then.
I tried to solve a subtraction problem with 2 and 3 digits.
Digits. Do you know how to subtract with 2 and 3 digits, Jadiel? Subtractions like this one of 3 digits. Always, sometimes, and never. Okay, you're gonna decide.
Always, mister. Always.
This is for me, right? Because it's the mister, but you have to write the one that is true for you. Tienen que escribir el que es verdadero para usted. Right? If you cannot subtract with 3 digits, pues, never, sometimes, or always, depending, right? Dependiendo de lo que usted pueda hacer. Okay, depending on what you can do.
Camila García. Yes.
Camila Garcia, read the third one then. Read the third answer.
It's the next one.
Who talked there?
I tried to solve
the third aspect, Camila Garcia. The third one. The third aspect, el tercer aspecto, the third aspect, the third one.
I checked the subtraction problem to figure out if the answer was correct.
Okay, if the answer, right, la W no suena, the answer was correct. Okay, do you know how to solve subtraction problems?
Always. Yes.
And do you know how to check if a subtraction is correct? Do you know how to check it?
Yes.
What do we do to know if a subtraction is correct?
I add the last 2 numbers of the subtraction.
Oh, very good, right? To check if a subtraction is correct, we need to add the last 2 numbers of the subtraction. Very good. So if you know how to check them, you always know how to check them, this one. If you sometimes know how to check them, but sometimes you forget it, this one. If you don't know how to check a subtraction, this one. Never. Okay, did you finish?
Yes.
Now, the last one. Who wants to read the last one?
Yes. Sarah.
Sarah, read the last one then. Sarah.
Valentina. I focused and solved subtraction problem.
Okay, I focused and solved subtraction problem. Do you know how to solve subtraction problems? Okay, like the ones that we did here. I'm gonna show them to you. Like these ones. Do you know how to solve them?
Yes.
If you know how to solve them, if you always know how to solve them, this one. If you don't know, this one. If you don't know how to solve a problem at all, this one. So you're gonna check. You have to tell the truth. Remember, you have to be honest. Tiene que ser honesto, right? And tell the truth. Y decir la verdad. Tell the truth.
I am honest, mister.
Good. I like the honest people, right? El hipote es bueno en inglés. Pero.
Mister, we finished.
Finish, mister. Mister, I finished. Mister.
Okay, good. Very good then.
Finish, mister.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, now, let me see. Did you finish, right? Yeah. Good. Now we're gonna go to the next page, to the page 95. Okay, go to the next page, to page 95. Okay, page 95. Page 95. Good. Okay, remember. Okay, number one. Can you please read it, Valentina?
Yes.
Okay, read it then.
Fill in the blanks, then answer.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, so everybody doing the exercise number one. It's very easy. Everybody doing it.
3 plus 3, 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 3 plus.
Finish, mister.
Okay, good.
I finished, mister.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's see. 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers 3. 7 times 3, how much is that?
7 times 3 is 21.
Or 3 times 7? 3 times 7? Is what?
21.
21, right?
21.
7 times 3 or 3 times 7, it is 21. Very good. Now, 3 times 8,
24.
24.
24.
24, 21. Right?
24.
Good. And we finish. Remember, okay? A multiplication is an abbreviated addition, okay? A multiplication is an abbreviated addition. A multiplication is an abbreviated addition, right? Here we have the number 3, and it is 8 times. 3 times 8. Here is the number 3, and it is 7 times. 3 times 7. Okay, and remember, commutative property, right? The order of the factors doesn't change the result. You can say 7 times 3, or you can say 3 times 7, and the answer is the same.
Sir,
You
I
can
want to
say,
go to the bedroom. May I go, please?
yes, you may go 8 times 3 or 3 times 8. And the answer is the same, right? The answer is the same. Now, we're gonna answer the questions that are there. Okay, can you please read the first question, Andre? Read the first question. The first question that is here. This one.
In what?
The first question.
What does the first factor in a multiplication indicate?
Okay, what is the first factor? What does it mean there's 7 here? And what does it mean this 8 here? What does it mean? What does it mean that number 7? Why do I have a number 7 there? ¿Por qué tengo un number 7 ahí? Why? Okay, why do I have a number 7? ¿Por qué tengo un número 7 ahí? Who can tell me? ¿Quién me puede decir? Who can tell me? Nobody. Nobody knows.
What, Mister?
Why do I have a number 7 there? Why? Why did I put a number 7? Why? Why?
Mister,
Right.
how do you say el internet me está fallando y Zoom me saca y me mete?
Ah, okay. Zoom expels you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, keep on trying to get into the class. Okay, who can tell me why do I have a number 7 there? Nobody knows. Nadie me puede decir por qué tengo un number 7 ahí. ¿Por qué tengo un number 8? Nobody knows.
Oh.
My goodness, you don't know how to do it. Listen, tengo un número 7 acá. Preste atención porque nadie sabía, ¿ok? Tengo un número 7 ahí porque es el número 3. ¿Cuántas veces está repetido acá? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ¿Por qué tengo un número 8 aquí? Porque el 8 está repetido. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what to be the answer? Why do I have a number 7 there? ¿Qué significa el 7? Okay, so you're gonna write there. Okay, you're gonna write
was more.
It means, okay, the number of times, write the answer in the line. The number of times the number of time a digit is repeated. ¿Qué significa ese 7? El número de veces que ese número se repite, right? That's what it means. It means the number of time a number or a digit is repeated, right? So here it means that I repeated the number 7 times. Here it means that I repeated the number 8 times. That's what it means. The number of times a digit is repeated. Did you finish?
Yes, Mister. No, Mister. Yes, Mister. Mister. No, yes, Mister. I finished. Yes, I Mister. Finish. No, Mister.
Listen,
No, yes, Mister.
Listen,
No,
listen.
Mister.
Oh my
No.
gosh. Stop talking then.
Mister.
I'll be quiet.
No,
Right.
Mister.
Okay, listen. If you haven't finished, hurry up.
Yes. I finished. No.
You finished. If you haven't finished, stop talking and write.
I finished. I finished, sir.
I finished, mister.
I finished, mister.
Finish.
Okay, good. Let's see. We're gonna answer the second one then. Now, look at what it says there. What it says the second question. Who wants to read it?
I finished.
Me.
Okay, Leah, read it then.
Dale. What does the second factor indicate?
¿Qué significa el segundo número? ¿Por qué tengo un número 3 aquí y un número 3 acá? ¿Por qué? Why?
The number that is in
Is the number that is in the...
Try to think of an answer. Vamos, pensando en una respuesta. Thinking of an answer. Thinking in an answer. Nobody.
Mister, but the number 3 are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, mister.
Good, listen. So, vamos a ver. Lo voy a explicar yo y lo voy a explicar en español y en inglés. El 7, okay, es el número, es la cantidad de veces que se repite el número. Mira, ¿cuántas veces se repitió ese número? 7 veces, ok. The number 7 is the number of time that it is repeated. Ahora, el número 3 me dice, ¿qué números es el que estoy repitiendo muchas veces? ¿Qué número es el que estoy repitiendo? So, number 3 is the number that I am repeating, okay? So, what does indicate the second digit? The number I am repeating, right? The number I am repeating.
the number.
Estoy repitiendo, right? Okay, write the answer then. The number I am repeating.
I finished, mister.
Okay, very good then.
I finished, mister. I finished, mister. I finished, mister. Mister.
Okay, very good.
Mister. I finished, mister.
No, mister. I finished, mister.
Very good. Is it raining in your house?
Yes, in my house. Yes, mister, in my house are raining.
In my house?
Mister. Here, yes, it's raining here.
Yes,
In my
mister.
house it's raining.
Super, no, mister. Super, no, mister.
In my house it's raining.
In my house.
Yes, I finished, mister. In my house too.
It's raining.
Okay, so you may say, look at this. If I say in my house is raining, you can say in my house. In my house.
Who is David Pineda? In
my
house,
In my house. En mi casa también. In my house too.
my house, I winner. Right.
Good. Okay, so in my house.
Who is David Pineda?
Can I erase this then? Can I erase it?
Yes.
I hope that everybody.
David Pineda.
Very good then. Now, we're gonna continue working, okay? We're gonna do the multiplications that are there. Number 2. Okay, esta pregunta no la vamos a llenar porque dice, compare your answers with a classmate, pero como no las podemos comparar porque no estamos en la escuela, la vamos a dejar vacía, okay? But we're gonna solve number 2. Okay, everybody doing number 2. You have to do it alone. Okay, you have to do it alone.
No, todo va en sano. Todo.
Alone. Doing the multiplication alone.
Can I go to the bathroom? Can I go?
Yes. Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Can I go to please?
Yes, you may go.
De la transferencia. Entonces ahí sí. 4 por 2, 8.
Mr. Who is David Pineda?
Yo presupuestaria que es un...
It's a kid of first grade.
Ustedes están, correcto. Siempre va a ser el salud de todo el mismo.
Finish, mister.
Good.
Sí, correcto.
No.
I finished, mister. I finished, mister.